Yeah, okay guys, I buy a AEM gauge for widebond Failsafe 2-in-1 for my supercharged B6 Camaro so that I can see my fuel ratio and my boost safe. And now they just came yesterday. And this is the part number 30-4900. And we're gonna open the box. Yeah, the order is like 1 week. And I order it. There you go. It's the gauge by itself. It's kind of cool. You have the gauge. You have the sticker. And you have some. You can change the base of the gauge. Fail safe and boost. This fail safe and wideband or lambda, and they have fail safe air fuel gasoline ratio, and there's fail safe and vacuum, and you can change the silver base. And inside the back they have the wiring. That's when you can connect to the auto sensor, and they have some T for the vacuum hose, and we have some for the wiring and for you want to convert your auto sensor that you can screw in and weld it. And you have some vacuum hoses, and this one is for your gauge, and you can connect it for your USB to your computer or the power, and then connected here at the back of the gauge, and you can monitor. And I think we can download the software for AEM so that you can do a logging. There we go. We have some more accessories. Of course, together with the auto sensor. And this one, the extension for USB AM to AF, like 6 bit. There you go. And that's it, guys. And I have some manual, follow the instruction. Yeah, this all gonna do it here for my B6 Camaro. And this is for the line for your methanol. Then I just do it going to under here by the fender, going by the side panel all the way down there and all the way back to the trunk. I show you the methanol container here at the back. Right here. That's the methanol container. Yeah, I didn't do some drilling. I didn't do that so that I can save the frame of the car. And the methanol inject. The motor is here for the methanol. Yeah, when you remove this one, they have also the extra bolt, and just if you can find the aluminum plate, or either you can buy some, so that this one you can just bolt here on the plate and this plate, and they have 3 bolts, and you just measure it so that you can bolt it in, yeah, all the way there. And here I just buy a Home Depot, like the bar, like 12 gauge, and then I just bend it and put here on the frame. And they have some extra, you can bolt it in. Yeah, I didn't do some drilling to my frame, and them some extra, like a hole. You just take up the plastic thing on that cover, like a grommet, and you just stick your under here. It just came out there, go into there. That's it, guys. The helmet I use quite a bit, guys. Then I will update you more for this fuel, Failsafe, and air fuel gasoline, and also buy this one for the pad for Camaro, like 6 gen Camaro. It's all same. Yeah, you just go online. This one I bought it like I think $120 for this one. Yeah, it's same size in this one. Look. Same size, and this one goes here. I don't know if you can see it here. Right here, it goes from here. Even you put this one, there's still the air came out here, like that. Gonna be look like that. Yeah, as you can see, I have a weight reduction. I take off all the seat in the back seat. Yeah, less like 80 pounds less. And same also the muffler resonator. It's like 60 pounds in there, more lighter. And this, yeah, for the heat, so that the heat will not absorb from your air vacuum tube. Go to your intake here, filter intake, and go in here. Right there, guys. And I'll keep you updated and do some video how I make some when I put this gauge. Keep you updated. Thank you for watching. Just comment, subscribe, and I just started the channel and help me to grow with it. Thanks guys.